Hey guys, welcome back to Kristen's Kitchen once again. So today we are making no-bake Kiwi Lime Cheesecake. So we have a couple of guests here. My friend Vijayandra and Vijayandra's brother Ashwin. Of course, my sister.
Hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
To make the base, you need 200 graham crackers, then melted butter and a little of sugar. Now pulse the graham crackers. Transfer the powdered graham crackers to a bowl.
No.
Add the butter to the and mix it well. And add a little sugar
And mix
it very nicely. To form the crust, transfer the biscuit mixture to the springform pan. Pat it down with a spoon to form a thick crust. Keep it in the freezer and refrigerate it minimum 6 hours. To make the cream cheese, you need 200 grams of cream cheese. Beat it up well. Add 390 grams of condensed milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add the juice of 1 lime. Put 60 ml hot water and add 10 grams of gelatin powder. Mix it until it dissolves. Add 2 tablespoons of dissolved gelatin into the mixture and mix it well. Add the cheese mixture to the chilled biscuit base.
It's ready to taste.
Okay. It's really good.
And it's awesome.
Yes. So hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, subscribe. See you.
Bye.
Bye.